Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hena Zahid Business Wali. I am the participant at Rehan AI Teachers Training Institute Lahore campus. Today I will talk to you about the TEDx video How to Fix a Broken School, Lead Fearlessly, Love Hard. Today we will talk about an amazing leader, Linda Cliatt-Wayman, and her powerful message from her TEDx talk, How to Fix a Broken School, Lead Fearlessly, Love Hard. Her story tells us how strong leadership and real love can change even the hardest school. Linda Cliatt-Wayman is an American educator and principal known for turning failing and dangerous schools into places of hope. She grew up in North Philadelphia, an area with many challenges. She saw poverty, violence, and lack of opportunities. Because of these experiences, she decided early in life that she wanted to help students who felt forgotten. Linda completed her early education in Philadelphia. Then she studied in Pennsylvania State University, where she earned a degree in special education. Later, her completed a master's degree in educational leadership from St. Joseph's University. Her education prepared her to understand students' needs and become a strong school leader. Linda worked in schools for many years as a teacher and then as a principal. She became known for taking charge of the most difficult schools where students felt unsafe, teachers felt hopeless, and results are very low. One of her major challenges was at Strawberry Mansion High School, which was once listed as one of the most dangerous schools in America. But Linda did not give up. She walked into that school with courage and a plan. She had some rules. Rule number 1: if you are going to lead, lead. Linda says a leader must be brave. A leader should not hide or blame others. A leader must make decisions, take actions, and stand with the team. She showed this by being present every day, guiding teachers and motivating students. Rule number 2: what now what? Instead of wasting time complaining, she looked for solutions. If something was wrong, like poor discipline or low attendance, she asked, so what? Now what can we do to fix it? This mindset helped her team stay focused, not progress, not problems. Rule number 3: if nobody told you that loved you today, remember, I do. This is her most famous line. Linda believes students must feel loved. Many of her students came from broken homes or unsafe neighborhoods. So every day she remembered them that they mattered, they were important, and someone cared about them. This emotional connection helped students trust her and try harder. Linda brought discipline, struggle, and high expectations. She walked the halls, talked to students, spotted teachers, and fought for resources. She removed violence by setting clear rules. She improved academics and spotting teachers. By creating a culture of respect, slowly the school changed. Students felt safe, teachers felt supported, hope returned. Her message is simple. When leaders care deeply, schools can heal. Linda's stories show that leadership is not just about power. It is about responsibilities, courage, and love. Her work proves that even a broken school can rise again when someone leads fearlessly and loves hard. Her message inspires educators, parents, and communities around the world. This is my opinion and review about this TEDx video. I hope you like this. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.